1 year and he's not even through yet. Go on, lad. You can do it. Just another 5 days. Yeah. So anyway, what we've got today is I already put a video on today, so this will be like a bit of part 2. But we started putting these joists in for the shed for December 10. We've got all them to do. So it's like put posts in, rest them. You know what I mean? Just so it comes up a bit. So that's what I've got shit not doing down there. Is putting some posts in there. There's one there. So just like dig all concrete in. So it's not all right on the floor, innit? You know what I mean? Move all this lot as well. See what you've done to me saw now? He uses the full of the saw, do you know what I mean? You don't need to do. Use just a little bit near the angle. And if that's not correct, then somebody please tell me then. I think using the full of the using the full bit of the saw, it bends it, you see. It's so small wood, isn't it? Go on. Okay. So yeah, so I'm just going to put bits of videos together and that, you know. Once we put another bit on in a bit. Pause.